Travel insurance is an essential consideration for any type of trip, whether it's a short weekend getaway or an extended adventure around the world. With so many different types of trips and travel insurance policies available, it's important to understand what's covered and what's not before you buy a policy. Travel insurance policies typically cover a wide range of trip types, including leisure trips, business trips, and study abroad programs. Leisure trips are the most common type of trip covered by travel insurance, and they can include anything from a weekend getaway to a month-long vacation. Business trips are also covered by many travel insurance policies, and they can include trips for conferences, meetings, or training. Study abroad programs are also often covered by travel insurance, and they can include programs of any length, from a few weeks to a full academic year. There are two main types of travel insurance policies: single-trip policies and annual policies. Single-trip policies cover a single trip, while annual policies cover all trips taken within a year. Single-trip policies are typically less expensive than annual policies, but they only provide coverage for a specific trip. Annual policies are more expensive, but they provide coverage for all trips taken within a year, regardless of the destination or length of the trip. When choosing a travel insurance policy, it's important to consider the specific characteristics of your trip, such as the destination, the activities you'll be participating in, and the duration of your trip. For example, if you're traveling to a remote destination or participating in high-risk activities, you'll want to make sure your policy provides adequate coverage. Similarly, if you're planning a long trip, you'll want to choose a policy with a high coverage limit. Travel insurance policies typically provide a wide range of benefits, including coverage for medical expenses, trip delays, lost luggage, and emergency assistance. Medical expenses coverage can help you pay for medical bills if you get sick or injured while traveling. Trip delay coverage can help you pay for expenses if your trip is delayed due to weather, mechanical problems, or other covered reasons. Lost luggage coverage can help you replace your belongings if your luggage is lost or stolen. And emergency assistance coverage can help you get help if you have a medical emergency or other emergency situation while traveling. When choosing a travel insurance policy, it's important to consider factors such as coverage, cost, and the reputation of the insurer. Coverage is the most important factor to consider, as you want to make sure your policy provides adequate protection for your trip. Cost is also an important factor, as you don't want to overpay for your insurance. And the reputation of the insurer is also important, as you want to make sure you're dealing with a reputable company that will be there for you when you need them.